Welcome to another episode of Mind Matters, where we explore the power of the mind and how to harness it to achieve our goals. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nikola Tesla 369 manifestation technique, a powerful method for manifesting your desires and bringing them into reality. It is based on the idea that the universe operates in cycles of 3, 6, and 9, and that by aligning your thoughts and actions with these cycles, you can manifest your desires more effectively. To use the Tesla 369 manifestation technique, you first need to clearly define your desired outcome or goal. This could be anything from attracting a specific person into your life, to manifesting financial abundance, to achieving a certain level of success in your career. Once you have defined your goal, you can then begin to focus your thoughts and actions on manifesting it. To do this, you should visualize your goal as vividly as possible and repeat the affirmations "I am attracting my desired outcome" 3 times. Followed by "I am confident and grateful that my desired outcome is manifesting now" 6 times. And finally, "I am now living in the reality of my desired outcome" 9 times. You should do this each day, preferably at the same time, and focus on feeling the emotions of already having achieved your goal. In addition to visualization and affirmations, it's important to take action towards your goal, and to be open to receiving it when it arrives. This might involve setting specific goals and creating a plan to achieve them, or taking small steps every day towards your desired outcome. The Tesla 369 manifestation technique is a powerful tool for bringing your desires into reality, but it's important to remember that it takes time and effort to manifest your goals. Stay consistent, stay focused, and trust that the universe will bring you what you truly desire. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Mind Matters. We hope you found this explanation of the Tesla 369 manifestation technique helpful, and that you'll consider using it to manifest your own goals and desires.